Right, so nice little tip off from the guys over at Explorer. I must have walked past this place so many times and not even noticed it was here. But we're in some kind of bunker. Nice tight little entrance there, but I've got to be careful where I tread, because where have they gone? Yeah, there's two of them over here. There's frogs everywhere. Oh, that's a big one. So yeah, we're careful with our footing. But yeah, not sure what this bunker would have been for, but it's ammunition storage would be my first guess. Oh wow, it goes further than I thought it was. From the outside this looks quite small. So let's go keep going through and we'll have a look and see what we can find. See if we can figure out a little bit more. We've got some of the original fittings from the Second World War here. Quite a bit of the original paint actually, the red line. So we'll keep going. Ah, this is bigger. Excellent. This may be bricked off. Get another torch. Yeah. So I'm guessing this would have been the proper way in, and where we came in was an emergency exit. Because we've got what would have been for lighting, I guess, here. A little bit, only a bit of asbestos left in it. That's all right. Okay, we'll go through to the other side because there's two large rooms to this, one of which we just came in. There we go, let's get a bit more light, throwing it down the tunnel a little bit better. Yeah, so there's another large room on the end. So ammunition storage is a good guess at this point. I mean, we've got quite a hefty door frame, so there would have been quite a large steel door on that. Iron, maybe. Okay. Ah, what's this? Ah, okay. Maybe a shaft to originally lower things in and out. Ammunition, maybe. Not sure actually. It's a really. It's definitely for ammunition. It's got to be, but ah. So we've got some tracks in the middle of the floor here. And what looks, oh right, okay. So we've got wood with semicircular cutouts, so I'm guessing they would lay the rounds on that as part of storage. So there's marks on the wall where there would have been shelving, so maybe they put it up on there. Ah, okay. So this would have had something to do with the tracks as well, maybe for lifting some of the more heavier pieces. I don't know. But if we go further down, we do have another emergency escape. Although I'm not sure, usually emergency escape's got a ladder, but this obviously had shelving underneath it, so I'm not sure. Unless they picked up the rounds, no, that couldn't be it either. I'm not sure, maybe someone in the comments can tell us. Similar to that other place we went. Ventilation, but with a little lockable hatch on it. It's really strange. Okay, well, this is it's a small little place this, but quite unique, and the brickwork's quite nice as well. So we'll keep an eye out for frogs, and we'll make our way out. So, as always, thanks for checking us out, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.